Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. So this is Saudi Arabian scholarship, this fully funded scholarship, and you can search for scholarship here and apply for it. Likewise, if you want to apply for self-finance, you can also do it here. So this is the main portal of Saudi Arabian Ministry of Education. That means Wizaratul Ta'alim, this Saudi Arabia. So when you want to apply for this scholarship, actually what you have to do, this scholarship will be open on 15th of this month, so you should get your documents ready and get all your translations ready with you. So first of all, when you come to the portal, you have to click on this apply. After you click on this apply, currently you can apply because the application is not yet open and you can't create account because it is not open fully functioning, but on 15 hopefully it will be open. So what you need to know is just a quick recap on this scholarship. So when you come, like you see coming soon, adding preference and applying for academic programs. What preference actually means is their university. So if you, maybe let's say you want to apply for Jamiatul Islamiyah, you want to apply for Qura, you want to apply for Infart University. So this is the right time, you understand. When this on 15, when this application is open, you can select your universities. That means preference and select your programs. So as you can see here, these are the programs and these are the preference. So this is just a recap I'm giving. On for 15th of this month, inshallah, I will drop a full video on how to apply for this video if I'm able. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved ones. So before that, displaying available options. So once the application is open, there will be a lot of programs. You understand? Some will be available while some will not be available, but will be available in some upcoming months. So you are to locate which actually program are you interested in. After you see the program you are interested in, then you are to apply for it. After that, announcement of admission and results. So those who apply and qualified and get the acceptance will get the results through their email. And make sure don't forget to be entering and tracking your application in the portal. Maybe it's under process, maybe it's under review, maybe accepted, maybe rejected, god forbid. So you have to check your application, you have to track it inside the website. So after that, you are to know that they offer diploma and they offer also bachelor's degree, they offer masters and also PhD. So likewise, they offer skills development program. After that, they also offer medical research and medical trainings. So I don't know which you are to select which ever you are interested in. So after that, what you need to know is like when you create your account, you select your program. After that, you submit your application and upload your document. I told you don't forget to get your document ready with you so that when it's open on 15th of this month, you guys will be ready to apply for it. After that, official admission and visa for those who get the scholarship successfully will be given a call from the embassy through mail to come and access their process, I mean their visa. After that, preparation for travel and their studies begin. So wish you best of luck. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and share with whoever you know is applying for scholarship. Wish you best of luck in your endeavors. Thank you so much.